Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. So Python, there is no need of writing semicolon at the end. So Python contains many statements. The Python statements are executed one by one in the same order which they have written. Okay. So we are executing this one. Okay. Go here. Go to the code. Saving it. Create one new file. Statements. .py. So for every example, I am creating one file. It's your wish. You can create Python statements statements.py. So I'm executed this one. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So multiple statements. So we have multiple statements. Yeah, this is the one. Already one line is there. We are adding two lines. Okay. Let us execute the program. Okay. Learning Python is fine. Is fun. Python is fun. Have a good day. Learning Python is fine. Yeah, 3 times it got executed. Okay. Okay. Going to the next topic. Code challenge. Python syntax code challenge. Okay. So test your understanding Python statements by completing a small coding challenge. Inside the editor, complete the following. Write a statement that prints. Write a statement that prints have a good day. Write a statement that prints learning is fun. Okay. So the output is uh, yeah. Copy this one. Copy this question. Go to here. So already it is there. Just a cross check. Learning Python is fun. Yeah. All are three we have written it. Delete it. Okay. This is the one. Come here. Execute it. Okay. So this is first one is completed. This one Python output print text. The print text we have written. Print function make function as many as you can. Each call prints the text on a new line by default. Okay. So Python output. Next file I'm going to create python output.py. Okay, this is the hello world we are writing, and here these two we have taken. Let us see all the printing one by one or not. Python python output.py. Okay, it is printing one by one. Okay, yeah, let us go here. You can use the print function as many as times you can. Each call prints text on a new line by default. Yeah, this we have observed. See, new line it got printed here. Okay, so this example has been completed, and you can use either double quotes or single quotes. This will work. Yeah, they are telling you can use whatever you want. So here in the third line, I am replacing with single quote. Single quote. It is working. And in the same statement, you cannot use both. If you start with single statement, single colon, it should end with single colon. If you start with a double colon, it should end with a double colon. Like this, it is not acceptable. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay. If you start with a single colon, end with single colon. Start with double colon, end with a double colon. Like this. You have to write in middle statement. Okay. I think it is fine for you. Control KC is used for the commenting multiple comments. Control plus K C comment KC uncomment control plus K plus U uncomment. Okay, I'm doing uncomment. Let me try. Control K U. Okay, uncommented completed. I'm doing control comment control case. Like this we have to do comment and uncomment. These are the comments. Any questions? Put it in the comments. Thank you for watching. So if you are not working with the double quotes, then it will cause some error. Come here, remove this double quotes or single quote. It will give the error. Okay, compile time error it is giving. So what not closed? What not closed? Okay, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. So next, print numbers. We can go with example this one. This example I am taking. I'm printing the numbers. Go here. So whatever we are giving here, per number there is no need of putting double quotes. We shall see the output. Yeah, it is printing 3358 5000. Okay. Yeah. Here we can do addition as well. So we can do the mathematics inside this print function. See what output we get. 3 plus 3 6, 2 plus 5, 2 into 5 10, 6 and 10. Yeah. Okay. So in the output also, if you want to space print like this, you will get the space in the output. Here if you observe, it is all mixed is there. Okay, you want some space. Now I given space in the above, you can see. Okay, space you got. Okay, so any questions up to here? Put your questions. Completed. So mix text and numbers. Hash. Hash. Yeah, you can combine both text and numbers. So if it is a number, there is control is running Python space file name dot py. Okay, it got output. Still any questions? No, no questions. Thanks. Code challenge. Print I am and the number 21 in one statement. Yeah. So we have done now on the. Okay. Thank you. So we have completed on comments also. If we give hash code, the line will get commented. Okay. So multi comments. So this is the one. Like we are going for the line comments. This single line. Control C copied, pasted. Okay. So the above we had seen for single line. It is starting with hash. Okay. So in case if you want all the lines to be commented, go for this one, triple. This is the format. Give three quotes, single quotes. So this is used for multiple comments. Okay. So why do we use this? Like in to add our comments, for what purpose this line is used? Okay. This line is used to combine numbers and text. So somebody, whenever somebody visits our code, they will easily catch the point what we have written, what we have done. So there is no need of telling what we have written. So our code should be meaningful, and we have to write all the comments in Office as well. Okay. This is a comment. This part, this should not run. This side. A multi-line comments using triple quotes. This we have discussed. So using triple quotes, we have written how to comment it. Okay. So here we are variables, Python variables. So we have starting, we have seen x equals to 4. So casting, casting like yeah. So x equals to 5. Print x. So I'm executing this one. So 5 will get print. Okay. So what is that 5? Print type of x. So it will give us return type. What is the return type of that one? So I'm expecting it is a int. So int we have got the answer. Okay. Few times what will happen is while we are calling some other functions, at the time that function we might expecting a string value, and now we are having integer value. So string value and integer value, it will not match. So that's why we need to do the typecasting. Okay. So this is the concept of typecasting. Yeah, thank you for watching my lab. So I'm learning some of the coding concepts. Even though AI is there, AI will generate some of the code. We need to understand it. So this is the purpose I'm teaching Python. Suppose if AI is giving us hundreds of lines, if we copy paste it, in that we have to identify what code it has been given. Yes, coding has been gone. Okay, I don't know whether coding has gone or not, but each and every person should learn coding. Okay. So if you want to clear some of the interview, he will ask straightforward, write some piece of code. Will you tell in the interview coding is gone? No, we will not tell, right? So that is the purpose. We have to learn, we have to teach. Hmm. Okay. So come back here. Yeah. So string of t, this one. So where they are doing the typing. Yeah, here they are doing the typecast. Okay. So we need some variable y. X equals to x. Okay. So now we will type. Now we have converted it here. Okay. Typecasted. We have converted integer to string. No, brother. Like latest interviews, all the interviews will be like that only. Okay. They will ask you to share your screen and uh, write some of the program. Okay. So they need developers, not AI assistant. They are hiring for the person who is well in understanding the code generated by the AI. So now I am typing the uh, print y. I agree with you. Thank you, brother. Thank you for watching my session. Yes, I agree with your point. So string is here. So we have done the typecasting. So variable names. See, even I'm also using the AI only. Some of the AI assistant. Cloud plugin once try. Okay. So what it will does? Will it correct our code? Because last day I'm getting this one. Okay. So go here. Have written this one. Okay. I used this one. It was unable to correct it. I used some of the Copilot. If you use here Copilot, it did not solve my problem. Okay. Again, I involved in Google and like that I solved some of the things. Yeah, I will try for Claude. Yes, it is correcting the code. Yes, yes. Sometimes it is correcting, but in my case it did not. So like I will try with the Cloud plugin in mm, Visual Studio. So one question I do have, like it will install all the plugins and uh, it will correct your code and we need to test or it will only do the test because I did not try that Cloud. That's why I'm asking. Okay. So go here, learn this one. Variable names. This we have completed. Here they have taken the variable name as myWhere and John. Okay. You cannot, but it is, but it okay. But companies can afford it easily. Okay, okay, brother. Thank you for the information. Thanks. So here all are variable names here. So if you see underscore is allowed. Here also it is used underscore. My variable. It is some uh, capital letters is there. Mix of the letters. So these all are acceptable. So I'm taking this one and I'm typing. Okay. In the next sessions, like uh, I will include the Cloud plugin and I will try. I will teach. Print my ware. Okay, so I'm printing my ware. So John, it got printed. So here some of the illegal variable names. It is not accepting. So if it is a mixed match of numbers and text, it is not allowing. So the same thing here we are getting some error. So statements must be separated by a new line or my where literal John. Okay. So it is giving the suggestion. It is not taking mixed. Okay, we have completed up to here. Uh, Next, assign multiple values. Yeah. So these three are variables having sequence of assigning. Here it is there. Do you remember 20 years divided shops and cities who used to rent them? Yes, yes. I remember. So now we are printing these three Python output. Okay, it assigned in the form of orange, John. X is a orange, Y is a banana, Z is a cherry. In the sequence, it has been assigned. Yes, nowadays they are not available. Earlier it was there, CDs, DVDs. Nowadays, no one is using. If they are available, also nobody is not using. So this is here uh, single single value is assigned for three of the variables. This is the example I have taken. So print x equals to y equals to z, orange, 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 orange. Three variables are having the same. Yes, yes. You are also explaining the same. Yes, I agree with all your points. Your points all are valid only. We should start working with the cloud so that we can use the advantage of AI. So if you know the programming, if you don't know the cloud or AI tools, then we are again lost because by end of the day we have to improve our skills only, and we have to utilize our resources. If we have a collection of variables in a list, tuple, etc., Python allows us to extract the values in the variables. This is called unpacking. Yeah, software will be there, but humans will not be doing, won't be doing. Yes, I agree with this point as well. So here, what they are doing is here they are assigning the variables in the form of list, and after that, from fruits, he is assigning individual x, y, z. Okay, this is called unpacking. Can you give me any suggestions like on cloud? Like I will be following them. Like is any teaching is needed or anything so that I can include in my sessions as well. Okay, so here apple, banana, cherry. These three has been assigned for the variables x, y, z. If we are printing the z, cherry is printed. It is here. Okay, so let me give some space here. Print some space I given so that it is easy to identify. Thank you. Thank you for watching my live. So please subscribe, guys. So here one more hyperlink is here. Uh, Unpacking in our unpack tuples. This is one of the concept. Unpack a tuple. When we create a tuple, normally assign values to it. This is called packing a tuple. Okay, message came. Brother, you don't need any knowledge to use cloud. It know all the coding. All you need to afford because it is an enterprise will do high level software coding. Enterprise AI, it will do high level software coding. Okay. Okay. So instead of our human intervention, it will only write the code. When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called packing. Packing a tuple. So packing a tuple is example is this one. So I'm executing the same. I'm creating new file. Packing. Packing.py. So we have wrote the code. Packing a tuple. But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back into variables. This is called unpacking. Okay. I'm here. I went here. I copied this one. Okay. Python. I'm running this one. Python space packing.py. So it is printing apple, banana, cherry. So here what happened is from the fruits tuple, it has assigned one of the value one by one. Yellow is banana, red is cherry. So we have printed them. Red is cherry. It is matching with our output. Okay. One more message came. Claude made an coffee ordering app. Just we need to give directions. What we need to say that's it. Yes, it's an instant similar to coffee vending machine. What? Unpack tuples. Unpacking a tuple. So we have learned how to unpack a tuple. So this is the one. Here it is a syntax, and here we are extracting, and we are printing. So one, two, three steps have been involved. First is assignment. Second one is unpacking. Third one is printing. Loop tuples. Thank you for this. Anyway, all the best for your channel. Thank you for your support. Concentrate on AI, not coding. Yes, I will. I will take this one as an compliment. And usually, what is happening is here, like Python is subject is there for the BSc students. Okay, so for them, like they has to write some of the examinations. So the examination will have straightforward, like write some variables in Python, write some program in Python, write some conditional statements in Python, like that. So for them, it is used. Thank you. So loop tuples. I'm creating one more file. This is for the example. Yes, yes. I'm from Andhra. I'm from Hyderabad. Not Andhra. I'm from Telangana. Python loop tuples dot py. Loop tuple. w3schools. Okay, while creating the file, we have meshed the .py extension. Okay, now we have added. You are working in Hyderabad. Yes, yes, I'm working in Hyderabad. Apple, banana, cherry. This is the output. Apple, banana, cherry. Yeah. So this is the one. No, I'm from here itself, Telangana only. Mine is Telangana. This tuple is equals to apple, banana, cherry. For x, in this tuple, print x. So what happened here is like we have iterated. Okay. So here we are assigning the variables. This is packing, and here we are iterating. We are looping this above. Your tone looks like Andhra. Andhra, the tone, the soft tone. Maybe my because I live in Hyderabad. Maybe that might be the reason. So for loops in Python, this is the one. Next item is range and length. These are the Python functions. Okay, so just we'll use this one, range and length. Just we are copying this code. So those who are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel, guys. Print. Okay, so here we have iterated and we have printed. So going to the next item. List did we complete? Okay, there are many things here are there in the list. Accessing the list items, change list items, add list items, removing it from the list. Okay. So if any BTech, BSc people are there, for them like few of the questions will be there on a list. What is list and write some of the functions of the list or methods of the list. So these are the things. Sort list, copy list, like this. Python list. So let us come here. Uh, Now we are in the topic Python list. So like this, we have to create it. This is the list name, and these all are the values: apple, banana, cherry. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of the four built-in data types in Python, used to store collections of data. The other three are tuple, set, and dictionary, with all different qualities and usage. Lists are created using the square brackets. This is the example. Okay, so I'm creating one more file called list.py and pasting this one. So this is the packing. This is used for print the collection. Here the collection is list. We are executing this Python list.py. So it got printed. Okay, so we are having some of the predefined methods accessing the list items. Access the list items. So here also we have accessed only this one. So, and one more is like we are accessing with the index. So here it is there, right? List items are accessed. List items are indexed and you can access by the reference to the index number. Yeah, I'm printing it. Go here. So apple, banana, cherry. So apple is at first position. Index one. Index one is it started. Okay. So let us print index three. List one, banana. Okay, it started with zero. Sorry. So three is not there. That's why we have got some exception. Okay. Indexing is starting from zero. This is called zero position. This is called first position. This is called second position. Okay. So next, negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from negative indexing means start from the end, refers to the last item. Minus two refers to the second last item, etc. Print the last item of the list. Okay, they are telling minus one refers to the last item, minus two refers to the second item of the list. Okay, we are using like this. Minus one means what it is telling refers to the last item. Minus one means cherry it should print. Cherry it printed. Print example of minus one. I don't know more on this. Like you can try many doing many things here. Banana. If I'm doing typing minus three, cherry banana. Suppose we are using minus four. What will happen? Minus four. Let us print. It should throw some exception. Sorry. Okay, it is telling uh, some exception. Index out of range. So that is there is not there. That's why it is giving index. Minus three is there. Apple. Minus three is the apple. Minus two is the banana. Minus one is the cherry. Come below. Next item is range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be the new list with the specified items. So here 2 and 5. So what will be the output? 0, 1, 2. It starts with cherry and it ends with mango. Come here and I'm pasting it. Okay. Python. Mm, we are in the list.py. Here uh, print example of range start and end. Okay. Okay, it here started with cherry and ended with kiwi. Okay. So one more I'm using 5 comma 7. 5 7 list.py. Okay. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know how the range is working. The range is working with banana. 2 2 is 2 3 4 5. 5 is the mango. Okay. So this is the example for uh, range. Yeah. So this example returns the item from the beginning, not including kiwi. So it is excluding fourth value. So we'll take this one. I'm I'm adding the comment. Okay, the output was 0, 1, 2, 3. It excluded fourth one and it given melon, mango. But it stopped up to 4. Fourth is the end. So orange is what printed. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the output. Okay. Thank you for watching. We shall see in the next live. Until that, please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. So this is the URL I'm giving. This is of W3 schools. Anyone interested, please go and check.